What's up guys? Okay, so today we're opening a package that was sent to me by SAKER. I kind of have an idea of what it is, but I wanted to do an unboxing so we could see what it is together, and kind of do an unboxing video today. So they sent me a mini electric chainsaw. So once we unbox this, hopefully get out this weekend. I have some yard work I plan on doing, especially around the chicken coop. I have a little ramp I want to make for them, so this should help a lot. Alrighty, so getting back into the unboxing here. It's a nice little case. Okay, it comes with a little set of tools in there, and I'm guessing this is the oil. Oh, nice. Oh, and this bag comes with 2 sets of batteries. So yeah, I look forward to using this. Thank you, SAKER. I look forward to definitely giving it a try this weekend and see how it works around the yard.